Adults aren't the only people that need to earn money. Teens have plenty of financial needs that their parents can't always help out with. Affiliate marketing can be a great way for teens to earn money. There are a number of effective strategies that teen affiliate marketers can use to earn income. But before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my number one recommendation for making money with affiliate marketing, even as a teen. This has helped thousands of ordinary people like me generate income online through affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link in the description below this video and you can check it out. One popular method of affiliate marketing is through blogging. Teens can create a blog about any topic that interests them and then promote products or services through their blog. This can be done by writing reviews, providing links to product pages, or by banner ads. Another strategy that can be used is video marketing. Teens can create videos about products or services and then post them on sites like YouTube or TikTok or Vimeo. They can also promote their videos through social media sites such as Facebook or Twitter. Finally, teens can also get involved in forum marketing. This involves joining online discussion forums related to the products or services that they're promoting and then participating in discussions. By providing helpful information and engaging with other members, teens can build up trust and credibility, which all leads to more sales. All of these strategies can be effective ways for teen affiliate marketers to earn income. However, it is important to remember that success won't happen overnight. It takes time and effort to build up a following and to generate sales. But if you're willing to put in the work, you can make a good income from affiliate marketing. One final tip is to always be honest when promoting products or services. Never try to trick people into buying something by making false claims or promises. If you're honest and provide value, people will be more likely to buy from you and continue doing business with you in the future. So these are only a few strategies that teen affiliate marketers can use to be successful. And in order to really stand out and make a good income, it's important to be creative and think outside the box. There are endless possibilities when it comes to marketing, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. One last piece of advice is to never give up. Even if you have setbacks or you're not seeing the results that you want right away, keep pushing forward. If you're passionate about what you're doing and you believe in the products or services that you're promoting, success will eventually come your way. Now, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, the way that'll kickstart you very quickly and turn this into a full-time six-figure income online, then check out the link in the description below this video for my number one recommendation to get started in affiliate marketing. It'll give you the exact blueprint for succeeding with affiliate marketing, the training and the mentorship from a team that's actually helped thousands of people start successful online businesses. So check out the link in the description below this video. No pressure, just check it out if you get a chance. I think it'll be rewarding. Take care.